Hey everyone, welcome back to Topher Drives. Today we are out at Gingerman Raceway in the TheTopher's 2023 Honda Civic Type R. This is my first time driving the FL5 on track, and I figured I would take you all along with me. The Topher just tossed me the keys and told me to go take it out for a few laps, so I figured I would film the thing and bring you all along with. 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 315 horsepower. We are on some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, I think. Yes, we are. Okay, I can see that now. I haven't spent a ton of time in the FL5, so I'm excited to take it out on Gingerman and see how it does. Of course, you all have probably already seen the Topher and Tedward's videos on this car, but I'm gonna go out, give it a shot, and see what I think of this thing on track. I've driven it a bit on street. I drove it in Hocking Hills when the Topher and I went out on our little boys trip, and it was incredibly impressive out in those hilly Hocking Hills roads. So I'm excited to test it out here on the racetrack. It's nice to be out here in a manual car. Check, looks like we're good. All right. Okay, this might be, oh, okay. Oh, this is serious. All right. Oh wow, this feels very healthy. Wow. So we're in the individual drive mode right now. The Topher and I just did the pedal dance, which is kind of like PlayStation 2 style cheat code where you do traction on, traction off, parking brake on, parking brake off, brake pedal on, brake pedal off, and then it turns off all of the things. You can feel that back end wanting to come around. This thing's so playful. All right, here we go. On our temperatures and pressures here, taking it nice and easy. Ton of grip from these Pilot Sport 4S's. Turn-in's incredible with this car. And the diff, it just brings you right around. I thought the Volkswagen GTI had a clever diff. This is like next level. So flat through here. Do a lot of this track in 3rd gear with this car, except of course the big straightaways. can understand why the Topher and Tedward both bought one of these, because if you're run something over, if you are possibly pieces of the Kia EV6 tire. Wow. If you're a track enthusiast, I mean, this is the hot hatch for you, seriously. All right, we're gonna shut it down. Oil temp's getting pretty high, so we're just gonna relax for the last little half of the track here. Good stuff. Well, make sure you all go over to the Topher channel, check out all of his videos from Gingerman if you want to see some proper driving. I'll have one of the M4 CSL as well, which should already be up before this video. This will just be a quick little bonus, if you will. Speaking of the Topher, here he comes now in the M4 CSL. Okay, well, that'll wrap it up for us. Pretty fun little thing, and thanks to the Topher for letting me take this thing out on the track. Unfortunately, didn't quite get to take the EV6 GT out, but at least I spent a good amount of the week driving that car. We lost a little section of the tire in our last lap around, and you'll see that on the Topher channel if you go over there and watch our EV6 track driving. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.